some of them return money, some of them deferred, some of them escape to South America, never return money. Yeah? Okay, so you also can buy that data from outside, yeah? And then use that data, training the model to see. Then after I fill my form, you automatically use the model to make prediction. Your loan is rejected. Yeah? So loan approval case, yeah? Maybe this kind of study, yeah? And investment portfolio too. So you can do some study on that, what kind of practice for this industry, then you make some recommendation for your CEO. Yeah? So what's that strategy? Should be more offensive or defensive? What's that privacy should concern? Yeah? How to protect your customer information. That's credit card, home address, mobile phone, right? And what do they have a privacy policy? Even now, you should recommend similar privacy policy like Spotify. You recommend for that. Then you also recommend what kind of business analysis technique they should apply. Yeah, because you want to compete in your industry, right? What's RBC Bank doing? What is bank material doing? Yeah? You apply to your cost of finance. Yeah? Then you make write a professional business report format. Yeah, to your CEO. The CEO is very rich old guy, billionaire. Yeah? How to make him to read your report? You small potato. Yeah, you have to very compelling. Yeah, put in the executive summary. Hey, we must adapt this one. If we don't, protect the customer privacy, we will get a lawsuit tomorrow. Oh yeah, really. Yeah. Then you read what issue, right? What background, and what data strategy, data privacy, data analysis, right? Then you make final recommendation. Okay? So that's our assignment 1, 18%. What we do. Sunday, I love to call Sunday midnight. You guys have a most advantage. Yeah? And because the first class for this week for me. And then they use, make sure about 3,000 words, and you have a delta 10%. Yeah? You have too little, you have too much, you will lose marks. Yeah? Make sure you do some research by Google research. This article about Harvard Business Review is about the lack of the data concept. Yeah, could be a lot of data. And most of the business defensive, offensive, right? For the bank, usually very conservative. Yeah, very defensive. If you run a small Korean chicken restaurant, right? Nothing to lose. I like to get all the data about my customer. Yeah? It's more offensive strategy. Somehow it's called spectrum, something between. Okay, depending on your industry, right? Yeah, you maybe work. What company you going to love to work after MBA? Too hard, yeah. The Chap GPA, interesting. Yeah. Do some research, do some perception. Yeah, you learn that. Yeah, or Google. Yeah, you're smart enough, pass the exam. So what's something between? Yeah, spectrum. Then you concern the privacy. So this is some privacy about this policy. Give you example. Right? You need to set up for your company. You that don't have. Then okay, that's about your assignment 1. Eventually, you write business report, typical business report format, executive summary. Yeah, you want a CEO, which CEO to read it, right? What's the major issue we found? What kind of recommendation? Then introduction, background, finding, conclusion, recommendation. Yeah, recommendation. What's action? Strong action you want the CEO to take. Okay. I will use this Roberts to measure your assignment 1. Yeah? Now that can be done by AI program. Yeah? Make sure you follow the format. So this is that's a new class for you Thursday, yeah? So you have plenty of things to learn, including my lecture slide, the chapter 2 from your textbook, or this video. Most importantly, you need to do your assignment 1. Yeah, only how many days left? 12 days. Yeah. If you are first course, you should get some help for writing coach from UCW. Always get some feedback about your writing, right? Writing is very important in your generation because most people work in your basement, yeah? Whether you are who, right? Nobody cares. What you write is the matter. So now you need to write a business report to your CEO, yeah? After the report, you get promotion, yeah? Senior business analysis, yeah? Right? The writing is the matter, okay? Improve your writing. Make sure you do a weekly summary with about 300 words, and also raise some questions for discussion. Also reply other people, questions, right? Online forum is very important. Yeah? Also writing skills, informal writing, debate. Yeah, what do you learn from this course? And you get a pure tutor for your statistics, right? You will frustrated about mean or median, variance, this concept, right? Get some help or watch the video. You can get your pure learning success from there. Anytime you book time, it's free for you. Why not? Yeah? But you cannot take your assignment, right? Ask you to do my assignment. No. Yeah. He or she will reject you to do so. But for your project, right, you can get some help from the time. Okay, this is about week 2. Thank you very much. Make sure you sign your attendance list. For those late, right, there's a video for you. You should watch the video, yeah, on the channel, right? Yeah. And for your final project, you think about your team. Okay, you will form up your own team. There is a project presentation in the video too. Give me some idea, right? How you make good get E project. Yeah, A+. Good. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Have a nice week. Good. You had a problem for today? Why? What's the problem?
Because I arrived this in the class.
Oh, you are late. You're late. Okay, you can do that for you. Yeah, make sure you missed the first week class.
I'm not the last week.
Okay.
But
yeah.
I was very busy because
okay. You can do it today. Yeah, not too late. Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay.
I missed my first class, but I watched the video.
You watched the video, right?
Yeah, and week 1 learning.
Okay, you read it down, yeah? Okay, good. You are yeah,
thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. So you will read my PowerPoint in the course portal. Watch the video there in NHub Metaverse. NHub Metaverse. Okay, remember it? You write that, right? And I'm going to research YouTube. You watch the week 1 video, full video. Yeah? And let me know after you watch it, how to attend it. Yeah? Okay, good. Yeah, you do assignment 1 immediately.
Yeah, assignment 1. Yeah.
Okay, good. Go to NHub. A-N-H-U-B space Metaverse. Okay? Yeah, that's week 1 video there. Okay? Yeah. So what's your doubt right now? See how it works, yeah? Yeah, about 5 pages, but at the end of the day, it's 3,000 words in matter. It's okay. 10 words is fine. 10 pages is fine. Make sure it's not over limited by 3,000 words.
Yeah, but
5 pages. Where I said it?
In the model, I guess, you said it in the answer.
5 pages for one person?
Yeah.
No. Everything you based on this requirement. It's 3,000 words, right? Maximum 3,300. Minimum 200, 700, yeah? 2,700.
There is no limit for person.
No. This one, yeah, 3,000.
And we have 3 questions. Like, this is the main question we need to answer. And these are for our people.
Yeah, this kind of thing about basically checking my how can I measure it, right? You need to do some background. Which company you are going to select?
I think Mercer or
What's that company?
it's an MNC.
Okay, so you see that company background, right? Then what's the major issue about that? Yeah? And what's that strategy they should adapt? Can be conservative, can be aggressive, right? And what's the policy issue that the company should concern about? Then what's data analysis in this industry? What is this industry they are doing right now? You need to do some Google Scholar research, make a recommendation, right? So what's the industry in this company?
Maybe
IT industry, yeah.
But I work as a competency data analyst.
Okay, good. So this industry, they have a lot of leading research on them, right? For example, IT company, Microsoft, very advanced, Google, very advanced, yeah? Then you recommend for your CEO. Then you write out, yeah? Okay, it's kind of writing, yeah.
And can you just also tell me how can I go to the writing course because there is a class?
You go to your student portal, there must be our writing coach somewhere. Yeah, you can, book her time and or online, and she will read your paper, give you a recommendation. Okay? Well, you're welcome. Good. Thank you.
Professor, do we have online class on Thursday?
No. You have a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
Assignment 1 right now.
Yes.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
See you next week.